Skincare and makeup, truly, you can't tell me my skin doesn't look healthy. I want to show you a foundation hack that Hailey Bieber did, having used it in a while. See how it wears, especially on oily skin. Hello, familia. Good morning, if it's morning where you're at watching. Thank you for being here. Today we're talking about Haruharu Wonder skincare plus makeup. You know how important skincare is. I want to thank Haruharu Wonder so much for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much. Skin, I have nothing on. You could even tell my lips, I have nothing on. We're gonna first start with some vitamin C. This is gonna help brighten our skin. I like to press it in like this. I always do my skincare before any makeup, even my eyebrows. So we're gonna let this dry down a minute or two. Next up is a toner. I've found that Korean skincare gives you that summer skin ready cloud look so that our makeup glows beautifully. I'm gonna add the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. I like to just add it on my hands and again, press in. This is already adding some plump to the skin. That's what I found that Haruharu Wonder skincare gives. It gives you this nice plump that you didn't know you needed until you see it. I promise. You know how I love skincare? But once I switched over, girl, skincare is so important for your skin, for hydration, for rejuvenation, for it to look plump and hydrated, as well as if you wear makeup like us over here, your makeup will look beautiful. Skincare and makeup truly go together. I want to show you the skin right now. It looks good, right? But this right here is the game changer. This is the Haruharu Black Rice Probiotic Essence. Girl, this essence improves the texture of your skin. It looks like this. Okay, one more time. This is how it looks. You see that milky texture? Not only does it improve your skin texture, it has exfoliating properties to improve the brightness in your skin. My skin here completely broke out and I had like a little rash. I started putting this on it just because I didn't know what else to do. And in 2 days, that rash was no longer, look, my neck looks really good. I always like to add a little more because although I have oily skin, hydration is truly important. It's not heavy. It really absorbs into the skin to help skin look super smooth. Makeup wears beautifully under this essence and it helps it last all day too. I will definitely tag this here on the screen and below so you can buy this. You need it in your life. I promise. Been a game changer. Look how glowy the skin looks now. Doesn't my skin look alive? And that's what you want. That's what you want with your skin. Moving on to is moisturizer. I'm using the Black Rice Ceramide Barrier Moisturizing Cream. I've been loving a thicker texture. Hold on, I need more. I need a little more. A thicker texture moisturizer because you know we wear a lot of makeup here and we use a lot of powder. Therefore, we need that hydration. I've been loving a cream moisturizer more than like something a little more liquidier. Look, you see the glow is here because we've been layering. That's how everything is gonna sit extremely well. Let's fix these eyebrows a little bit. Add to my hands. Ooh. Last but not least is sunscreen. As you know, I have brown skin. I have hyperpigmentation that is caused by the sun. Haruharu Wonder has the Black Rice Moisturizing Air Fit Sunscreen with SPF 50. You know I like to use a lot. And look at this. Look how invisible this is. It has like a whippy texture. You can also use this as your moisturizer. I love a lot of moisturizer, which is why I add the moisturizer and sunscreen. Look, you see, no white cast. And you guys saw how much I used. Haruharu Wonder skincare has literally been a game changer. Look. You can't tell me my skin doesn't look healthy. Plumped. Beautiful. I want to show you a foundation hack that Hailey Bieber did. It's gonna change your makeup game. I want to show you first how this works. This is the stick foundation from Dior. I'm in the shade 3.5N. We're gonna add a little bit onto our hand, right? Get it nice in there. I get a foundation brush. We're gonna add it here. Really distribute all that makeup on the bristles and let's add it onto the skin. Ooh. Okay. Okay, let's see. This is not the hack. We're just adding it right now on top of our beautiful skincare. Let's look. The foundation looks really good, right? Pretty natural. This is the before. This is the after. You can see a little bit of texture right there. Let's get to the hack. First, you want to start off with the product. Really get it in there. Get it in there. We're gonna add 2 or 3 drops of our essence. Oh, 1, 2, and let's do like 3. Get your brush. We're gonna mix this together. So now we're creating this Milky Essence foundation. We're gonna add it on the side that doesn't have any foundation. I'm not wearing a primer so that you can see this hack in true live form, how it looks on bare skin. This already, it's smoother. You use less foundation than this side, and it glides nicely. You saw how easily I was able to apply it? I don't have to apply additional foundation. Makeup hack with the Milky Essence and the stick foundation. You see that glow? This can easily be like a lazy girl glow up, cloud skin glow up, easy makeup hack versus look. See, the glow is not as glowy and you can see a little more texture here versus smooth here. Can you see the difference? Oh, I love. Let's even out this side. I'm just gonna add maybe drops or 2. Brush that already has product. I'm not gonna add additional. I'm gonna add the Milky Essence just on top so we get like an even mix. So both sides look like the summer glow up we need. So this is my mancha side. Oh yeah, that glow is nice. We're gonna do a wear test so we can see how this will wear on oily skin all day long. And it's been extremely hot in LA. Oh, I'm excited. I didn't tell you the time. It's 10:25. Let's start the clock because our skin, ooh, skin looks so good. I'm gonna use 2 cream products so we can also use the essence just because I'm excited. We're gonna start with this CoverGirl Skin Enhancer in Snatch. You know I love this stuff. The thing about cream products too is that sometimes they tend to be a little stiff, a little dry, depending on the product, depending if it's old, if it's new, having used it in a while. That all depends how creamy it's going to be. Let's say you have a cream product that's just not, throw some of this essence on there. It's gonna make a difference. And let me show you. I'm gonna get a different brush. We're gonna mix in, make sure our brush has the product evenly on the brush. Then I'm gonna bronze a little bit. Right here, right there, right here. Add a little bit onto my nose just to give the nose a little bit of warmth. Let's put this hair up nice and bronze because again today we're just gonna have a lazy girl summer makeup, so we don't want to put a lot of product, just like a little bit. I get a new brush and just add a little here. You know how much I love a bronzer for our lid. Okay, let's clean off the hand. Next up is this Persona Cosmetics blush in the shade Caramel. A good amount here. Really get that product in there. I'm gonna do like a dot. Ooh. Mix, mix, mix. You know one of my favorite shades of blush is this, a nice rose. Ooh, you see how it just glides on so beautifully? So for the blush, using 1 drop is perfect. Look. And this essence, mixing it to cream products, I would suggest to mix it only with cream. It gives you a lightweight, natural look automatically. You see how natural that is? If you want to build it up more, I would grab it on the brush. Remember, the brush already has some of that essence on it. And we're just going to build a teensy bit. Still looks natural. Bronzer, grab a little more. If you want, blend in. Bam. Right here, right here. Talk about seamless. I need some color corrector. You see my under eyes, that discoloration? We're gonna color correct with this pink. I washed all my brushes. Now all my brushes here, it's super packed. So now I don't know which brush to use. Now we blend. You know, I like to keep the color corrector right here where the most discoloration is, but also underneath my lash line. You see how I have my eyes open and I'm right underneath it? That's where you want to put the majority of the product so you get that color corrected look. Again, así. Ooh. Go blend up here and then bring it down. See how the discoloration doesn't look as bad anymore? Now we're gonna move on to concealer. This is gonna conceal the under eyes. This is one of my new favorite concealers from Estee Lauder. And I wanna spray our face a little bit. 1, 2. This helps the makeup glide a little nicer because this concealer does dry down. You guys look, I have a big old pimple there. We have to sort of move a little quickly. To blend this out, you could get your foundation brush we used with our stick foundation and the essence. It's gonna blend this so nicely. Blend here. We're just highlighting a little bit the center of the face. I like to do like these tapping motions. Ooh. I'm loving how the skin just still looks like skin, huh? Remember how I've been saying this is a game changer right here? Just doing that. Let's clean off that concealer brush because we don't want a lot of product here. We want to make sure that this concealer, we're able to blend it out as seamlessly and beautifully as possible. Keeping it, again, underneath here. Blending out that blush. Whatever remains, just blend up here. Other eye, same thing. Ooh. See how everything just blends so seamlessly? It's the skincare. Everything just blends well. This is why skincare is so important. You know how sometimes makeup, it's a little matte, it's a little full coverage, and it just doesn't blend as seamlessly. A lot of times it could be the skincare that one is not working, or two, you don't have enough of, and your skin is not moisturized and have that hydration. And remember I told you guys, I really want to focus on doing more skincare this year. I've done a few videos already. Just adding makeup is not, you won't get the best result, long-lasting result, smooth result. You need that skincare to really get that moisture in your skin. I'm looking at my skin like, wow, it looks beautiful. Let's get close. Texture, nowhere. Smooth, everywhere. Let's move on to a little bit of powder because we're doing the summer skin look. I'm gonna use a little bit of powder. I'm gonna try. You know how much I love powder. This is why our skincare is on point, because I love a matte look. You guys, lately I've been testing this out. I don't know if I'm gonna show you until I really test it out. I've been doing this makeup look with no powder. Yeah, me. Could you believe that? I'm gonna test it out some more, maybe 2 more times, and then let you know if it works, because I'm a little shocked about it. Yeah, I love that. So we're gonna look straight ahead, press that powder in. I like to really bake that the inner corner right here, because that's where I have the most discoloration. With whatever remains, I'm gonna really set down the T-zone so that our skin still glows and it's from within. Literally from within with skincare. A hack I've been doing for a little bit too is, if you want that glowy look, but you want the look to last, it automatically look sort of worn in, there's 2 things. Don't set the cream bronzer and blush. You saw how I just went around. You're gonna set it with a bronzer, any bronzer. If you want a glowy look, I would use this type of bronzer that has the 2 glowy and the matte shade. You can use a highlight too. It can be whatever you have. This is gonna give you like the natural radiant look, but at the same time, you're still setting it down with powder products. Tell me in the comments, do you want to see that makeup that I don't use setting powder and then maybe do like a wear test? I'm like scared to do it. I never thought I would be that girl that doesn't use powder. We're gonna use a bit of a glowy blush. This is Heartbeat from Kosas. Just a little, like that. We're gonna set that blush that we have not set down with any other powder. I like to just tap it because our skin's still a little wet. This part is optional, but it does give your skin that lift. We're gonna get rid of any additional powder on the puff. We're gonna start pressing now on top of the bronzer and blush. This is also gonna help settle it down. Maybe you put a little bit too much blush, bronzer, you know, that always happens to me. And now get rid of this. We don't want it to sit too long. I'm gonna get my bronzer brush. I forgot to put a little more here. Oh, this is what I'm on it. The one size powder melt. This is also going to help melt all your powders in case you're a little bit powdery, which we are a very little right now. Look at this magic. I see. My bronzer brush. My blush brush. Powder puff. And look. I love it. I love it. Here we are. Look at the skin. You see how it's just nice and glowy? Makeup is warming up now. It's been about, I think, an hour and a half. Look. Just so plump, so juicy, so summer skin, cloud skin. Glass skin with the full face of makeup. Nothing's breaking apart. Nothing looks funky or anything. Smooth. Ooh. Under eyes. Yes, foundation hack using Milky Essence from Haruharu Wonder and a stick foundation. Girl, game changer. Game changer. You guys know we're gonna do an all day wear test. Let's go in front of the window so you can see how everything looks. Ooh, and my lip combo is this right here. Duck Plump from Beige Boost, House Labs and Maple Matte, and Blush Blaze Plump Gloss. Okay, in front of the window, it's very sunny today and it's going to be really hot. So we're gonna see if this makeup is gonna last. I wanna show you, of course, in front of the window. Look how good the skin looks. See, no texture or anything. We have that plump, glowy summer look. I'm feeling this. It looks so good. Let's see how it wears, especially on oily skin on a hot day. After a very hot and sweaty day, it's 8 o'clock. We've made it through the entire day wearing our Korean skincare and makeup. I did get some footage for you though at around 5 o'clock to show you the skin, and ooh, this radiance was looking so good. I didn't have any separation, nothing spotty, nothing out of the ordinary, and at this point it was pretty hot. And skin looked really, really good. Definitely the makeup hack work. Here we are now looking luscious. My blush and bronzer, they do look a little bit lighter, but again, it's been all day. I have not touched up. Look how smooth my pores look. Remember, we didn't wear primer. This is summer skin. Skin definitely looks stunning. Let me know, what are your thoughts of this makeup hack? Have you seen it? Have you used it? If so, let me know your thoughts. You guys know we're always in the comments chit-chatting away. Again, I will tag and link everything down below. This is it, fam. Thank you so much for taking out some time to spend with me and watch this video. I appreciate you so much. I love you. And thank you so much to Haruharu Wonder for partnering up with me in this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. Click the button right there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.